Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2015 Jeep Cherokee Latitude 4-wheel drive, stock number B9152X. 36,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Cherokee brand new, true blue in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Also includes an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Cherokee seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional underfloor storage. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Latitude has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Edges. With driver information system, as well as customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, touchscreen display for radio. You can connect various media devices, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, heating and air conditioning, compass, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. Select terrain 4-wheel drive system, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the surface. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Additional storage under the front passenger seat. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 3.2-liter V6, 271 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB9152X to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.